There you go. So, show me your certificate, you passed.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Pass.
So, Sarah passed on the second attempt, right?
Yeah.
So, let's talk about your first one then. What happened?
Got the whole way through. It was about 3 minutes away from the test centre.
Yeah.
Coming up to a roundabout, and I changed lanes without checking my mirrors, without checking my shoulder, because I realised I was in the wrong lane to turn left.
So, quick decision.
Quick decision. Instead of just following the road ahead
And going
and
where should have
going
gone.
and just continuing over the roundabout, I decided to try and change lanes to turn left
Yeah.
without checking.
The feedback from the examiner was that he has to let you get on with it to see if you could deal with it properly.
Yeah, and I didn't.
But how many driver faults you get
This time,
on the first time?
6.
6.
6 in a series.
And that series for the change lanes are effectively looking. So we worked on that on the last lesson, didn't we?
Yeah.
And you got a quick test, didn't we, this time? Because
Yeah.
it was about 20 days ago you test first time?
Yeah.
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 Something
Almost
like that, wasn't
exactly,
it?
yeah.
20 days.
It's on the
And then
night.
today's test, obviously you passed. How many faults did you get?
4.
4 driver faults, so it's an
Yeah.
improvement.
Yeah.
And
They're still a bit stupid, but I'll take it. I'll take 4.
was it an easy drive?
Yeah.
Did you
so.
did you feel the difference in pressure before being first and second test?
I felt a bit more relaxed the second time because I knew it was coming.
Yeah.
Obviously, I still felt a bit nervous in the beginning. Still a bit nerve-wracking, but I knew what was coming up and I knew what I had to do, so it was okay.
Yeah.
It felt better the second time.
And the manoeuvre,
I got the same one as last time,
which is
parallel park, which I hate.
yeah. So you got
Hate
your
it.
worst manoeuvre, but you nailed it, didn't you?
Yeah, in the same place that we practiced it. So it was.
That was a coincidence, that,
easy.
wasn't it? Coincidence. And obviously now you've passed. The examiner said it's going to take about 3 to 4 weeks for your licence to come through. You've got your own car, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you're going to get that sorted.
Get insurance.
And how do you feel about driving on your own for the first time?
Really excited, but a bit nervous. But it'll be fine.
Listen, you're a good driver.
Yeah.
Well done on passing, and I'll see you on the roads.
Yeah. See you around.